Oh sir, madam, currently, Tian Long is present on the main road of the DIC Victory Project. I am in front of the project gate. The Haozhong Provincial Committee is on the opposite the project. This way is the main road of the project, leading from the gate to the first 5-star DIC Star Hotel in Haozhong. There is one the commercial center at Project Gate, on Boenguin Jaya Boulevard. As for the project progress, the Phase 1 part has been completed by the investor. On my right side is the shophouse plot BT11, which has a 100% ownership certificate.